House Resort Living. A very delicious, spicy cheese egg omelet. For this omelet, I'm going to use my New Mexico chili mix and create a nice sauce or salsa to go with the omelet. I usually pick up these seasoning packs when I'm in Santa Fe and bring some for my friends. At the local grocery stores and their farmers market, they have the local farmers make these very nice mix of spices from everything local. They're really wonderful. Here's the pack, and you can see there's all kinds of spices in there. Big pieces of red pepper flakes. Here are the tomatoes, and there goes my pack of New Mexico mix of chilies, and I am ready to make a very nice sauce for I'm gonna add this to my table just for extra serving. I'm just gonna decorate it with some jalapenos, and I will have a small container next to the plate. In the meantime, I'm gonna saute some red bell peppers and onions. Just chop them into little pieces and add it to my omelet. You can also add different color bell peppers or your jalapeno and green chilies. All depends on how spicy you like your omelet to be. I am going to do it as a mild version of a New Mexico omelet, and you don't make it very spicy. I actually have it all on the side. So I'm going to start with 4 eggs, and they're somewhat large eggs, and mix it really well with a little bit of cream and add it to my very hot pan, and start the pan with some olive oil and of course butter. This is usually a weekend breakfast. I don't make omelets during the week because who has the time? And I like to take my time and chop the vegetables, get creative. I mean, you can put anything in an omelet. And of course, cheese. I can add feta cheese, goat cheese, and of course, sharp cheddar cheese, which this is that's the cheese I'm going to use for this omelet. And I don't like my eggs to be runny, so I'm going to move them around and make sure they all get cooked evenly. salt, pepper to my bell pepper and onions, and also a little bit of cumin. Right here you can add more cheese, or you can add jalapenos and green chilies. I am fine with just the way it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip it and cover it just to make sure that the eggs are gonna cook just a little bit more. Ooh, and here is the best part, shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm gonna cover my entire omelet with it. It is ready to be served. I am going to slide it on a big platter. I am sharing this beautiful cheesy omelet and have my sauce on the side. And of course serve it with fresh fruits and berries. And here's the best part, actually eating it. Thank you for watching me make this very cheesy, delicious omelet. I hope you get the chance to make this for yourself or some version of it. Thank you again, and please don't forget to subscribe.